adding doors to the corner cabinets. This is a component. So I'm going to go in to the component, and there's a group in there. There's some drawers. Here's a door. I'm going to right-click. It says edit component, so it must be a component. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and copy it. I could also use Command-C on a Mac or Windows, or Control-C on a Chromebook. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to get out of that and then paste it right back in. It's hard to see, but it's there. I'm going to move it right to this corner. Now, if I edit it now, it's going to change all those guys, so I don't want to do that. I'm going to take this component and make it unique. So now these guys will edit each other, but not this one. And actually, I'm going to rotate a copy of this. So I'm going to do Q-Alt and hit the up arrow key. And I'm going to rotate this, click there, click here, drag it out. 90 degrees. And I'll stick this one over here for now. So to fit this, I'm going to put this in position. Let me hide this. When I edit this, they're both going to edit. So I'm going to take this guy. I'm going to drag left to right. So I grab the entire right side of it. And we'll just move it on the axis. Oh yeah, there's an illusion there. What you're seeing on the left side is the other door changing. Move it into there. I'll hide this temporarily. Then I'll edit this guy again, and I'll drag from left to right. That's going to grab, so I'm going to put the cursor about here, drag out this way. That's going to grab all the lines and planes at the bottom, move it straight down to there. So that fits. Now when I unhide that other door that I hid here, it should be the same because it's a component. These guys are components of each other. So I should be able to just take this guy and move it back in position. That's done. Corner cabinet like this is almost always done as a full door cabinet. That's a base cabinet, which means it has doors in either one drawer or in this case 2 drawers. And a full door cabinet, BF, would be 42 inches wide, and it only has doors. Actually, I might as well do a drawer base while I'm here. So maybe I'll make a copy of this guy. It's not going to be the same component anymore, so the first thing I'll do is explode it. Then, let's see, what lives in there is a group. I'm going to do this. I'm going to get rid of that, and that, and that. This guy, he's lighting up all those. So if you check it that way, you should know we should take this guy and make it unique. So now these guys will be clones of each other, but not him. And let's see. Maybe I'll do this. It's kind of a big cabinet, so this, if I right-click, it says, oh, edit. It's a group, so I'll edit the group. And I think I'll grab this side. We'll make it a little smaller. I'm going to move it in, either 3, 6, or maybe I'll move it in 9 inches, either 3, 6, or 9, or 12, or 15. And then, all right, this guy's on his own. He doesn't light up anybody else. We'll just grab the entire right side of that and move it over. And then I could move a copy down. Could do ×3, except that didn't work for some reason. Move a copy. ×2. So these guys can be resized, but they're all components of each other, so they're all going to edit each other. So for instance, maybe I want to make this a big drawer. Make it unique. This is a tricky one because you got to line up the view right. So when I edit this, I'm going to drag a box. I have to aim towards the middle here. I have to go. Just get the bottom half of it. And then I can move this down. Sometimes you have one small drawer, two medium size, and a big one. You might have to do the math to say, you know, what's this space? And, you know, if I had the total distance of this space from here to here, and then I wanted to take, you know, two 7-inch drawers out of that, so it would be this height minus, if this was a 7-inch drawer and this was a 7-inch drawer, it would be this height minus 14, because there'd be two of them, and then whatever would be left. But anyway, this is different. Maybe I'll do that. We could say this one and this one become unique. And if I'm going to take this, I'll take a tape line, go down, say 7 inches. I'm going to temporarily hide these. This guy's same thing. You have to line up the view. So you can just grab just the bottom half of this. And I'll try and move it down to the tape line. Okay, the other clone should have done it. So unhide all. So now this one, I'm going to move this down. This one, I'll line it up so now there's two 7-inch drawers. Because this clone changed when I changed this one. And then what's left is this. I'll have to edit the bottom half of this one. You edit this, grab the bottom half, and move it up till it fits. It's called a stack of drawers, which would be, and this has got to go. It's going to be a drawer base, whatever the width is. It measures 2 for 3, 24 plus 3, 27. So this is going to be DB drawer base 27. It might even tell you the number of drawers in this thing. There might be some other number in here to tell you the number of drawers, but looks like I missed on these. And it's off a little bit down there. Okay. And there's the bell. And then once this is done and it's labeled, right size, make this whole thing a component. DB drawer base 27 is the width. Done.